Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making breaded mushrooms from scratch in the air fryer. So we need mushrooms, egg, breadcrumbs, seasonings of your choice. I will just use salt and pepper, and we also need a non-stick cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. So here I have 8 ounces of whole mushrooms, and I already removed the stems before making this video, and I also washed the mushrooms really well before making this video. And now I'm going to crack an egg in a bowl. And whisk the egg. And I will put breadcrumbs on a plate for dipping mushrooms. And I will spray the air fryer basket with a non-stick cooking spray. To spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with vegetable oil. So now I'm going to dip the mushrooms in egg and in breadcrumbs, and I'll put them in the air fryer basket and sprinkle with salt and pepper. So just take a mushroom and dip it in egg so it's coated on both sides. And now dip it in breadcrumbs and press it so the breadcrumbs stick all over. And put the mushroom in the air fryer basket. And continue doing it with all the mushrooms. So now just make sure that the mushrooms are in a single layer, and then sprinkle them with salt and pepper or any additional seasonings you'd like. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious breaded mushrooms. They look amazing with crispy brown breading. So tasty looking. Let me transfer them from the air fryer to the plate. So crispy. See this breading? So crispy, I can just tell. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let me just cut one and let's see what's inside. The breading is so crispy and the mushroom is perfectly cooked inside. Look at that. Now let's try it. Amazing crispy stuff. So good. The breading is crunchy and the inside mushroom is perfectly cooked and soft, just the way breaded mushrooms should be. Air fryer is perfect for making them. You're going to love making these breaded mushrooms in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!